So understanding the income tax system and the tax code, more or less. And we are not talking about this from the perspective of accounting. Um, Not going to approach it as a tax advisor, not touching any of that. Mainly because I am definitely unqualified to speak about it in that way. Um, could have had what's his name? I should have probably, but have Brian come back on. He would have been a great one to talk a little bit more in detail on this. But I kind of want to just give an overview and have a little bit of fun with it because I got some television clips to share.
You always have the clips.
I've got the clips, and that's a terrible business. But anyway, I don't know if anybody's ever heard this before, but there are two tax codes, and they're the exact same tax codes for everybody, but there's two tax codes. And this is Judge Learned Hand. I assume that's how you say it, learned, not learned. But there are two tax systems, one for the informed and one for the uninformed. And both tax systems are legal because it's up to you as the consumer, you as the individual, you as the business owner, you as the sole proprietor practitioner, you as the investor. It's all up to you to understand how does the tax code apply to you and your wealth building decisions or your spending decisions or anything else. And what is it that we said in the group is that an informed taxpayer will pay less taxes. Just because by default you have more of an awareness of what you're doing. And that awareness is very helpful for planning for your future. And in case Robert Kiyosaki's name ever looks familiar, I'm just going to throw that up there. Yes, he did co-write probably a couple of books with him.